Personality development tips that will change your life. Be a good communicator. Express yourself clearly, and respectfully. Also be an active listener. Be positive. A positive attitude can help you deal with stress and setbacks. It can also make you more attractive to others. Be confident. Confidence is a key part of personality development. You can build confidence by acquiring skills and knowledge. Be mindful. Practice meditation to gain control over your mind. Be a good time manager. Prioritize your tasks. Avoid multitasking, and block out time for different activities. Physical development. Developing physical fitness and health such as strength and endurance. Use technology. Online platforms and social media can be powerful tools to connect with people globally. Be persistent. Don't give in to laziness or disappointment. Keep moving toward your goal as consistently as possible. If you set your mind on achieving your objectives every day, this attitude will become part of your personality. Effective communication. Articulating your thoughts clearly and confidentially helps in protecting your opinion. Utilizing verbal and non-verbal cues can aid in expressing yourself. Body language. Maintain good posture. Make eye contact, and use open gestures to project confidence and approachability.